Hello and welcome back to another episode of Chris's Corner presented to you by Neishloss Fleming. Today we're going to discuss the mobile office. As we know, as agents, we spend a lot of time living on the road, whether that's driving to appointment, back to the office, back to home, quite frankly, so many different places that we're going. Now in AEP, we especially see a spike in our windshield time as we're really running all over the place, and really your car becomes your office. So, if you're spending all this time in your car, how can you make this the most positive experience for a mobile office? Well, first, let's look at our laptops, our iPhones, our iPads, our tablets, whatever it may be. Make sure you have all of your charging cords and anything that you very well may need for that appointment to keep those devices up and running. Remember, it's pretty hard to look up your drugs and doctors for your clients if you don't have any internet access or any sort of smart device to look them up. Secondly, make sure you have all the supplies you need for your appointments. There's nothing worse than going through the whole appointment just to find out that you don't have the right kit for you. Make sure you have plenty of them. Make sure you have the correct ones. Trust me, your trunk has plenty of space. Throw them all in there and you will be set to go. Third, make sure you have your living essentials. We spend way too much time in the car to be uncomfortable. Make sure you have things such as maybe allergy medication, pain relief medication, snacks, drinks. Also, a change of clothes never hurts. Trust me, when you're eating in the car, sometimes messes happen. Don't want to be showing up to the appointment with a mustard stain, so keep a shirt in the back, maybe a pair of pants. Always be ready. You never know what's gonna happen, and when you spend all this time on the road, you need to be prepared. And that is all we have for you today on Chris's Corner. If you have any questions at all, please do not forget to give us a call. Lastly, do not forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time on Chris's Corner.